Lesson number 15, Statistics, Part 1. The term average refers to the middle or the central point. In maths, the average value in a set of numbers is the middle value, calculated by the dividing total of all the values by the number of values. When we need to find out the average of a set of data, we add up all the values and then divide this total by the number of the values. So in simple word, we can say that average means the middle or the central point of the given numerical data. Here the data is given in the form of the numbers. So it is called as the numerical data, means information is given in the form of the numbers. Average is also called as the mean. So mean is the another word for the average here in this lesson. There are two types of averages, mean and median, but here in this lesson we will consider the mean as an average here. And the formula of the average is sum of all the scores in the given data and divided by total number of scores. Here scores means the numbers, the information which is given in the form of the number, that each number is called as the score here. Let's take one example to find out the mean or average. What are the steps? First you have to add up all the numbers, then divide the sum by the number of the values. So for example, we have to find out the mean of the 6, 3, 8 and 5. So first step is to add them all. 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 upon 4. This 4 means the number of the scores. This is the 1 score, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the 4 numbers. So we will write here 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So add up. We will get the sum as 24. Divide by 4. Answer is 6. So 6 is the average or mean of the given data. This time average is equal to sum of all the squares in the given data upon total number of scores. Then you can write in addition form divided by the total number of scores and then solve it. Let's take one more example. Here we have to find out the mean of 1 to 5 numbers. So 1 to 5 means you have to write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. The numbers from 1 to 5, all that numbers you have to write. And how many scores are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These numbers are nothing but scores here. So 5. Addition is 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. So here answer is 3. Average is 3. It is nothing but the middle number. So average is the middle or the central point. One more example is given here. 600 plus 400 plus 450 plus 550 plus 500. These are the 5 scores given. So we will divide it by 5. The sum is 2500 divided by 5. So average is 500. So practice set 54. Example number 1. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week 9, 11, 8, 20, 10, 16 and 12. Here what information is given, that you have to write here. Average is equal to the total rain in millimeters. Means you have to add these all numbers here. Then total number of the days. Write all these numbers in addition form. 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 and plus 12. So how many days are there? 1, 2, 3, 7. So divide by 7 here. Sum is 86. Divide by 7. You can do the division in rough and write the answer here. You have to find out the answer up to 2 digits. 12.28. If this digit is greater than 5, you can write the next digit here, that is 9. So answer is 12.29 millimeters. The average rainfall is 12.29 millimeters. Second example, during the annual function of a school, a women's self-help group had set up a snack stall. Their sales every hour were worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847, rupees 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? Here you have to write the total sale or sum of all the scores. You can write here formula also. If you are not able to write all these things, you can write directly the formula which we have learnt here. That formula you have to write sum of all the scores in given data upon total number of scores, and then you can write the given numbers in addition form like this: 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 847 plus 970. All these numerical data or the scores you have to write here. Now how many scores are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So divide by 6. You will get 892. So the average sale was rupees 892 per hour. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? 900 millimeter, 650 millimeter, 450 millimeter, 733 millimeters and 400 millimeters. So average, write the formula, or you can write like this: total rain in millimeters upon total number of years. Write all these numbers in addition form: 900, 650, 450, 733, 400. This 5 is the number of years. So that you have to write here down as a denominator. Divide it. Answer is 626.6. Last question from this problem set. A farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weights of the sacks are given below in kilograms. What is the average weight of the sacks? 49.8, 49.7, 49.5, 49.3, 50, 48.9, 49.2 and 48.8. These are the weights. Sum of the weights of the sacks in kilogram, total number of sacks. Then you have to add all the scores, and how many scores are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So divide by 8. You will get the answer 49.4. The average weight of the sacks is 49.4 kilograms. And very important thing is, all the scores should be in the same unit. Means if some of the numbers are given in grams, then you have to convert all the scores in grams or the kilograms. When you are going to add them, that time all the scores should be in the same unit. Remember this.